Hello guys and welcome to the stream here. I am glad that you could make it tonight. It was a very impromptu decision to stream tonight, but I decided to do some coding tonight and how it would be cool to stream it. So yeah. So today's project, it's not very well known, but there is a version of Minecraft for the Raspberry Pi, which is a single board computer, and this version of Minecraft is very it's almost like a very old version of Minecraft that it runs on the ARM processor, and man, if you guys can't see this, that's not good. Why can you guys not see this? Once again, the way that I'm doing this is kind of odd. Yeah, I don't have a capture card currently, so otherwise this would be much better. But I wish I could show you guys. I guess it's not really critical for the stream for you. I mean, it kind of is, but I still want to stream, and this isn't going to work. But this version is a very old version that works on Raspbian here. It's a very or Raspberry Pi OS as it now is. It's a very low power. It's just a very old version of Minecraft to run on Raspberry Pi. But it has a special property to it where you can actually use the various different programming languages. I think you can do this in Scratch. I'm not completely sure about that. To essentially control the world of Minecraft here. I'm just going to close out of that. Unfortunately, you guys can't see this, but what I would like to do is have there be like a Python thing that allows you to kind of type in Minecraft commands to it and it to alter the world for you. So let's go ahead and get into this here. So, well, is it? Oh man, that's not the right OBS scene. There we go. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it. So let's first of all, this is Raspberry Pi OS here. And I haven't updated this yet, so I'm just gonna start updating it here because I haven't done that since installing this, and I literally just installed Raspberry Pi OS just a few minutes ago. But I'm going to go and create a folder that I can work in here. MC Pi ed. I'll just do that. Minecraft Pi edition. And this will be kind of the directory that I work in. Wow. Sudo apt upgrade -y. So that'll just kind of work in the background there. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm not very experienced with Thonny here. I'm just gonna really quickly here on my Raspberry Pi install the idle IDE for working with Python. Let's see, we're having an issue that I was having in a stream that I tried to do earlier where it's very choppy what you guys were seeing, but I'm hoping that since I'm programming and not video editing, it should be better. And what you're seeing here is going to get choppy every once in a while, but I'm only programming, like I said. So if any of you want to kind of show up in the chat here, I've got the scene to do that, and it looks like I've got a little bit of YouTube's disclaimer in there. interesting. So I'll just kind of stay here in the scene for a little bit here while we are waiting to install Idle here. Here's Scratch 1, 2, and 3 Sonic. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it. Great, but I can't because I have to start. Alright, we're gonna have to just stick with Thawny. I forgot it, even though I'm not very experienced with this. And let's get another tab of the terminal open, because this is pretty much the interface that we are going to be using to interact with our program. Alright, so we're gonna create our first file here, main.python. I don't think this is going to be like Bash for Windows, where I have the entire program split up into multiple different files. I don't think I'm going to do it like that, but just in case I do, and this is a very generic name. Alright, so first of all, I myself am not totally familiarized with the way that you can interact with Minecraft through Python. I know that exists, and I've done a little bit with it in the past, but not a lot. In fact, I have this Python file that I'm going to show you guys on my GitHub page if you want to look at it, by the way. I'm about to show you here if Chrome will open. If Chrome will open, that is the... And I keep on getting this low voltage warning. It's probably because I'm using my phone charger for this, but... Chromium, would you open please? If not, I guess I can just go to my laptop screen here. Let's just do that. And let's go to my server here. Once again, the file that I'm about to show you is on my GitHub page. Go to github.com/jr-tech-and the word and -software /python-projects. That's the repository that it's in, and you can take a look at it. And my sister is watching The Office upstairs, so if you can hear that, just excuse that. The code for Python build basic house.python. This is what it is. This is about the extent that I've gone to, where it'll pretty much build a square block in front of your eyes, and I think it's cool. I really want Chromium to open up here. Open up from the terminal. All right. And wait for that to hopefully open. Taking a long time. There we go, finally. It opens up here. Alright. So, Minecraft Pi Edition. And it's being very laggy right now. Why is my music playing? Hello? Maybe. Let me here on OBS. Yeah, my music isn't playing. Oh, there we go. There it goes. Whatever has been playing before must have been really quiet or something. Alright. Minecraft Pi introduction by that the raspberrypi.org. Alright. transfer here just to pull up that project I mentioned. I can reference my script that I was just talking about earlier. The internet's being slow. I got on upstairs is streaming video. I'm live streaming, and this is also on a Raspberry Pi 3B, so it's an older generation of Raspberry Pi, which also means that it's kind of underpowered. Alright. And this is a somewhat complex page I'm just trying to load here. Wait for that to load. Well, alright, here we go. There it is right now. I'm using the Python programming interface. I'm just gonna be going through here and kind of learning this with you guys, and if you guys decide to hop on here, I've got chat opened up right here. And if any of you guys want to talk to me while I'm streaming, feel free. So here this is. So this is pretty much the first thing you import every time if you want to interact. Let's actually open the file that I made earlier. I'm guessing that's the load button. Once again, I'm not very experienced with Thonny here. And goes out untitled there. Alright, so this is what we need. But before we do that, we need to wait for the user to open up Minecraft. And something I would like to do is check and see if Minecraft is currently running. So, I don't actually know how to do this. How to see if a process is running Python. There's probably a way that you can use the output of some sort of command in order to do this. I'm not completely sure. This is probably some sort of other thing here. Great, we're gonna have to do something using pip. That's not really terrible, but I'd rather it be vanilla. Yes, util is what I'm saying. So can I open up a new terminal here? Hopefully this terminal, if this terminal crashed, then it's gonna take Chromium down with it, so I hope that didn't just crash. There we go. Alright, so pip install psutil. And hopefully pip is actually installed on Raspberry Pi OS. There's a lot of network things happening right now. Gonna have to turn on my music a little bit. Let me guys know if the music is too loud or too quiet or what. That would be helpful, because It's been a while since I last streamed, and I've done a whole ton of things in my free time, because just like ideas of if I were to stream next, what are some cool things I could do with it. Also, cool, pip is installed on this, so I can just easily do that right now. I don't have to wait for my updates to complete. That's great. That may be a little loud, actually. It's gonna turn it. Alright. Once again, guys, if my music's too loud or anything, let me know. Also, something I've been considering is doing something like Restream to allow me to stream on Twitch as well. So, I don't know how much I'm gonna be streaming. I'm hoping once I get like a capture card, this will be much better. Because I'm thinking I could like live stream me editing videos. That'd be much better for me. It'd give me more incentive to actually edit videos, because that's something that an issue that I face is I don't want to edit videos very much. Which means that less content gets uploaded to the video. Hopefully my Raspberry Pi doesn't crash. Oh yeah, and I'm also sharing screens. That's another thing. That's another issue that's on this here. So over here saying that we're using the psutil, so import psutil, please. And I'm just gonna follow its directions and make a definition, because it's gonna be a lot easier to do it using this whole definition thing. So define MC running and essentially what it's going to do is, if it's running, it's going to return a value of true. If not, it's going to return a value of false. So iterate our so for all processes in psutil.process underscore iter, oh my god, that's iterator, try, and if process name dot lower in process name dot lower, so we're lowercase. It looks like we're lowercasing everything that's going to be returning here. So if that is true, then return true, except psutil.no such process, psutil access denied. So this is how we are essentially saying if this is how we are making it. So if I wouldn't like it if you were paste down there. This is how we're dealing with errors here. So if like it was once running, but now that I'm actually looking through everything, it's not. Or if access is denied, it's protected by root. Or if it is a zombie process, then I'm just going to pass, I guess. Alright, and return false, because if every process has been iterated through and it's checked all of them, and it has determined that all of them are that is wrong, OBS scene again, stop it. And it has determined that none of them match what I give it here. I just realized that this is process name here. Should be, so we should process name equals, and then I gotta get what the process name of Minecraft is. So to do that, is HTOP installed already? HTOP is installed. Congratulations to Raspberry Pi Foundation. I wish more people would do that. So we can then go into Minecraft Pi right now. Now this isn't going to detect if we're in a world yet, which you also need, but we've got half of that already solved there. So wait for this to work here. Alright, so this is, it has started there, and we are going to go ahead and do F4 for filter. We're going to filter for Minecraft, and my keyboard is probably stuck in Minecraft there. Let's just get that out of my way there. So it's Minecraft -Pi. It looks like that's the process name there. Alright, great. Alright, now just close that even though eShop is technically still running. Alright, so Minecraft -Pi is the process name. I'm gonna get rid of that, because you guys can't see it, because I guess Minecraft is doing some sort of tricky thing with some sort of overlay or something, and it's kind of sticking on top of every other window, so I can't see. Goes Minecraft Pi, and I'll save that. And then I'm just going to print MC running. That's just what I'm gonna do there. We should print false, and we shouldn't have any errors. Hopefully it doesn't take forever like it seems to be doing. Stop. And let's just do it through the terminal, because I know how to do it better in the terminal. And like I said, I'm not used to Thonny. I'm used to idle, but that's not here. Alright, so cd into documents /MC Pi, and tab to autocomplete doesn't want to work. There's a lot of things this Raspberry Pi is trying to do right now. Add, I believe. Oh, I spelled documents wrong. MC Pi. CD documents. CD MC Pi. Oh, the I was lowercase. And Python 3. Main.python. And that you probably need a space there. That's what it did. How do I handle this in my other scripts? Problem with programming is if you stop programming for a while, which I have, you forget things. Sounds like you need it to be like your full-time job or something. Let's see here. I have Bash or Windows on my HFS Raspberry Pi server there. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have some value on this server there. I'm just gonna pull this up the computer screen there. This is Ash Windows here. I don't know how recent this is, but is it? Get rid of that file. This is not earlier. Oh, there. This is definitely an older version of Ash Windows. Testing, let's try this. Hopefully this is a newer version. I don't know how new this is. Alright, this is the newest one of the newer versions. Right. So I believe we can find that in startup.python. The whole try. No, I tried it. Oh, I know. This isn't tabbed correctly. I should probably switch you guys back so you can actually see my Raspberry Pi. This was tabbed over. That probably doesn't work. I forgot the parentheses. Making so many mistakes. And false is so we got that it isn't running. So now if we open up Minecraft Pi edition and so this process is running, I should get true. Yes. So that code works. No, please don't. Yeah, actually, I still want that terminal to be open. And our update is almost done. Right, switch to regular mode. I know, I just saw that and I got curious. Oh, I like this so much better. Yes. Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of that and I'm gonna do if MC running equals true. So I got, well, actually I think I should actually do equals false and do print you're not running Minecraft. You can't run with a Minecraft script without Minecraft open. Silly. I don't know, I just sometimes like to put that random silly in there. And I'm gonna put a new line there. And I'll go ahead and from time import sleep. And sleep for a few seconds, so stop the script, so stop running the program for a few seconds, just kind of wait for 3 seconds there, and then we'll exit with an error code of 1. Alright, so if we go ahead and run that here, sudo apt install idle 3, because I don't really want to use Ani too much more. Alright, but anyways, we should and I need something over here for when the otherwise they'll just run the program, it'll do nothing if we are indeed running Minecraft. Yay, I'll just do that. Alright, so idle's installed good, and we'll Python main, not Python. And yay is that's odd. We should have gotten this message. Huh. Alright. We'll do the print. Once again, I forgot the stupid parentheses. So it got like function MC running at this address here. Let's run this again. There we go. You're not running Minecraft. You can't run Minecraft without a Minecraft You can't run a Minecraft script without Minecraft open, silly. But if I open up Minecraft here and run the script again, we get yay. So good. This is all working just fine here. So I'm just gonna move over to idle here because I like that ID much better. I gotta turn up the music there. It looks like its levels are low. And I'll go ahead and open up documents. This is a much simpler, this is more like a, this is more like a text editor than anything. It's just, it has highlighting, for Python files, of course. And let's go ahead and, change this to, I just go ahead and increase that font size and change it to idle dark, and that, yeah, there we go. So we got all that out of the way. Now we can finally initialize Minecraft. So I'll exile that here, and we want to go ahead and do that there. And now that we've already checked for this, we are good. We shouldn't get an error over here from not running Minecraft. At least I think you get an error there if you aren't running Minecraft. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I could understand why it would be like that, so I understand it like that. And then you need to create a variable that you can, or some sort of function or some, to take ownership of Minecraft.create. This will just make it a lot easier for you to use Minecraft in your code. And now after that, I'm going to transfer all that. So first of all, we are going to print. We also need our OS library here because I want us to be aware of our surroundings. So print your configs are stored at. First of all, we want to clear the screen here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 192. I'm gonna go to my server here, as I have a clear script that I wrote a while ago. That'll pretty much, it doesn't matter what operating system you're running, it'll allow you to clear your screen, which is very nice. So code, Python, and let's download this clear script. and wait for that. And a lot of things are happening on the network right now. And save it like that. And then I'll go ahead and clear. I'm gonna do clear.cs. So I'm gonna clear something like that. If you guys want to see what this what this clear script looks like, it's not a very long file. Here, all it is first of all, that's not right. That is not right. Looks like I'm gonna be programming this too. Alright, OS platform is another thing that it needs here, and I'm going to reference Actual Windows again because for this code, because I haven't really used this function a whole lot. This platform, I think it's platform.system. Yeah. So if platform.system equals Windows, and we want an os.system, so run a command, one the CLS command. But everything else, we are just gonna run this. I'm not completely sure that this is true for every other operating system, but it's true for Linux and Mac. And that is like, those two combined are like 99% of the operating system market. I'll just say that because I can't think of the right term. Here we go. Got that code worked out. So this should actually work. And we're gonna go your config for start at, and then os.get cwd. This will be our current directory that we are looking at. So if you run the script, well, you're not running Minecraft, so I can't. But we're gonna run Minecraft. And we're going to run this script again. And because we are not in our world, we cannot. Hey, that was I forget, why have I forgotten the name of that? But you're gonna run that, and it'll say your config for stored at this address here. This address should be the same address that you have your Python script there. I'm gonna quit to title, just X out there. Something that I should probably do if I open up Minecraft here, but I don't have a world open. I should use this this error here so that I can detect whether my world is opened or not. So what line was that erroring on? nc.minecraft equals minecraft.create. We're gonna do try. We're gonna try to do that, and we're going to accept connection refuse error, and we're gonna do print Minecraft may be open, but you have not logged into a world. You need to log into a world for this script to work. And once again, we're gonna sleep 3 seconds. We're gonna exit with an error code 1. Right, so let's well, if I open up Minecraft, maybe this way too smart. If we open up Minecraft there, you know, run that script. It says Minecraft may be open, but you have not logged into a world. You need to log into a world for the script to work. And so we'll do that. Oh yeah, it's packed.png. But yeah, here we go. But essentially what I want to do is allow us to kind of use chat, the chat feature, along with the commands that it gives us. So I'm gonna close out Minecraft by addition because it's in my way. And now we are going to if os.path.exists and we're going to do os.cwd or get cwd plus slash and then dot username or just username equals false, then obviously we don't have that file. So we are going to create that file for the user. So we're going to say what do you want your username to be? And I forgot a quotation mark. And I'm going to set I'm going to create a variable here, user usr name equals just an empty string there. Username at username variable equals input, and whatever they enter in there will be the username. And we are going to store that username. So we are going to do file equals open for writing. And I just forgot what my what that was supposed to be here. Let's do no touch, no. For goodness sake, what was I don't remember how to do. I don't remember how to do this. Let's go to my GitHub because I want to look at my setup script. There tech and software. So I'll pull up my chat. So you guys can catch that. Because I just forgot what that code was supposed to be. I don't think it's just W as the only argument. Right. Okay, so it's the file that we want and then how we want to open it. So you're going to do USR name W and file.write USR name. There, file.close. And that should be good for that. Right, else you want to load that into memory. So you're gonna file equals open USR name for reading. And USR name equals file.read file.close. So from this code here, we should be able to print out what our user name is. So let's go ahead and open up Minecraft here. And start game in my world there. Run this. And we have an error. Proper function method and string. Because once again I forgot to put the parenthesis in there. I try to keep on forgetting the parentheses. Oh man. So let's run that again. And I'll do JR tech and software. And I should run it again and it should just print out my name. And perfect. So the very first thing I want to do is, if there's no slash given in the username, because for those of you that are not aware, slash is the thing in Minecraft that tells Minecraft that what I'm about to enter in chat is not something to announce to the server, it is a command. So let's go ahead and come over here. This is cmc.post to chat thing. That's how you post something to the chat. So I'm just gonna get rid of that there. And what I'm gonna do is while true, so an infinite loop here. We are going to command equals input, or I should probably just shorten this to CMD, equals input command, just something simple like that. And we're gonna say once again I need bash window for this because I don't really remember. I have some code here just in setup file here. But it's gonna take forever to just scroll like that. Scroll thing there. So now I'm pretty much gonna cycle through all the characters in that there. So we're gonna do, actually we don't even need, well I guess we do. So for I in username, if so we want to set up a counter as well. So I equals 0. So for J in username, if J equals slash, and put all those, but then parentheses, well, no, it's being stupid. If I equals 0 and j equals slash, and we're gonna do, actually let's do MSG for that, and do this MSG, then let's do k equals 0. This will kind of be like my whole flag concept. Flag equals 1, or sorry, k equals 1. And continue if k equals 1, and then we're gonna have a new variable cmd equals that. This is gonna be the actual command that we are loading in there. So cmd equals cmd plus j. So we should print out message and then print out command. Alright, so that should work. So let's come into here and run that again after I get into Minecraft world. And yes, it's just a generic world. You can't even rename the worlds in Minecraft High Edition. And let's do slash time set day. It's not really gonna be able to get that in there, but you'll see time set day has been successfully put in there. And I should probably make an exit command. Documents high ed there, and let's go ahead and let's see a full screen there. So what if we do have a command, what we should be able to do is have a array of the actual things with the actual words in that command here. So cmd pts equals an empty array there. Okay. And we'll create another variable. So once we have this, we can eventually start to increment L afterwards. We still need to increment I. This loop is not finished yet. I plus equals 1. You need to increment I. And then we'll go ahead and do cmd pts, or is this, I think it's actually supposed to be, what is array, what are arrays actually supposed to be? This is how much I've forgotten. We'll probably find that in bash Python, once again referring to bash for Windows. This is an old version. This is clearly an old version. No, well, I get a page. Eventually, I might put this code on GitHub. I don't know. By the way, so you can kind of keep your eye on that if you want to. I've just now thought of that, and you guys might want to eventually see this code. Yeah, we do have it like that when we initialize it, at least. And then when we want to add things to it, we use that same brackets. L equals J. But before we do that, we need to see if we have a space, because we don't want to worry about a space. If J equals a space, we don't want any of that to go into our command parts right there. So we are gonna increment L, and we are going to skip with the rest and go to the top of the script of this loop here. And then we'll increment L. Alright, so this should work. That so we're at the end of this, we're gonna print. Alright, if message, nope, this is outside the room. If message equals exit, then break. I'll do that. But before we do that, make sure that we get this debugging stuff in. Print MSG. This is throwing off your idle. Really, you have to do this. CMD and CMD PTS. So Python 3 main, not Python, and we're gonna do /time set day once again. And we should probably do dot append J. That's probably what we should actually do there. And I did not mean to open up another terminal. Let's get rid of that. And do /time set a once again. And it's doing that. So we gotta put this in here so that we actually open up command parts to be able to be useful there. And CMD PTS and we should add that in there for the space bar for when we add in the space there, and command part, and then CMD PTS L equals J. That should fix that. Slash time set day. Arguments out of range. Just a second, guys. I'll be right back. I just gotta run and take a quick bathroom break. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Just had to take a quick bathroom break. Anyways, here I am back again here. So what was I doing here? Having issues with the space, I think. Yeah. So we're incrementing L, right? And we're pending, and then we're continuing. It should skip right back into here, add to the command, equals L plus J, or equals command parts L plus J. That's what I'm supposed to do. On this slash time set day. We're still getting an out of range error. This is being set to 0. This isn't getting incremented. It shouldn't be getting incremented. What is going on here? Alright, let's entertain print. Print L. Times set day 1. You should be appending a value to it. So if we ever slash time set day, it's having an issue with this. We're doing that, and we're appending. I don't know what the NC server just disappeared. Hold on a second. Alright, alright, good. It got back in OBS too. Alright. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Man, parts.append. I don't see what is appending. Another option to command parts, is it not? I would hope that it would. This is weird. Why is it erroring out here? Because I'm incrementing this when I'm not supposed to. That's fine. I just... we're not supposed to be incrementing that. And there we go. Look at that. It's actually working as intended. So if I exit the script, because I have that exit command put in there, and I do slash time set day, do that. So we'll do slash tp jr tech, or I guess I should have this in quotes. Oh man, that might be an issue. Time jr tech and software to j tech soft. You'll see we get all that laid out in there. That is exactly what we want. You know what? We don't even really need the command variable for that anymore. So let's just go and delete that. I'll go and complete. I'll use so switch equals exit, or so we'll parenthesis or cmdpts 0, and the 0th value there equals exit, and we're gonna break there. Alright, if cmdpts you know, this is gonna be much better if we just don't have anything command parts. we just start with just this. Parts, L, or sorry, 0, so there's nothing in it, pretty much, because this would have been filled if there was something in it. Then we are just going to mc.send to chat, and MicroPy Edition is in the way for me. So post to chat, and we'll do plus username plus MSG. That is going to be our basic chat there. That should be good. Let's see though if it is. So I'm in here. First of all, it's gonna exit here because it's loaded an older version of the program into memory there, and I'm gonna do hi, and you'll see, and I grab Pi Edition here. I was put in the chat. Well, I guess you can't see it. You're gonna have to take my word for it that it is indeed there. I wish I could have my camera show it for you. Let's see here if I can get this to work. So I'm doing this just on the fly here. Video capture device. And that is my webcam. Cool. And this is going to be very awkward for both me and you. But I don't know how well that is for you, but if we type in hi in there and I push enter, you can see right there I shows up. Once again, I can't, this is awkward for me as well, and while my music just stopped there because I haven't included that in the source, I'm just gonna get rid of that scene there. But yeah, it worked. And once I get my if and when I get a capture card, you guys would have seen that without that awkward mess. And I'm just watching the stream from my phone. There, you guys couldn't see that, could you? Nope, probably not. Alright, well, it worked. It worked for me. And it does that in the same format that it would on Java edition of Minecraft, which is great. So we already have an important part of Minecraft there work for you. Now, by the way, I don't know, I'm not completely sure if man, this is a version of Minecraft where chests can exist. I'm not completely sure if this is at all useful. I don't know if there's audio chat feature in here or anything. And in fact, I know for sure that it is not fully useful because there's not much you can really do with commands in Minecraft Pi Edition. Anyways, there's no day or night. There technically is a sort of join server type thing in Minecraft Pi Edition, where you can connect to other people running this on a Raspberry Pi, but man, can you go to another in this version of Minecraft? I don't know, I'm playing Minecraft here. And I'm just kind of distracted here. I'm gonna see. I have not really played much of Minecraft Pi Edition myself, so this is very entertaining for you guys. This is really not yeah, thrilling content, I know. I'm just sort of distracted. I don't know if, I guess what I was trying to say before is I don't know if this is entirely worth it, because things like teleporting and things aren't really useful. Of course, like I said, there are no day or night cycle or anything. So yeah, but so a lot of the commands that are in Java and Bedrock Edition aren't really gonna work here. But I figured this could be a cool project nonetheless. I could do like the fill command or the clone command or whatever. So yeah, so let's go into commands then. So first of all, I don't know of all the even the I only have Bedrock at the moment. I don't have I don't have Java Edition. Minecraft caps lock on. Minecraft commands. So I'm actually gonna have to do my research on this. Get rid of that. And wait for this to load in here. Of course, once again, this is just a Raspberry Pi. So they're relatively old Raspberry Pi, so large websites like this do take a while to render in. Alright. Ooh, tilde represents, yeah, I know that. I know how that works. List and summary of commands. Let's go to that. This is just a wiki here. The official Minecraft wiki. You can see up there. And it didn't automatically put me to there. Alright, no, that's data tags. Alright. Ability. Transfer revokes a player's ability. I don't know what that means. Tribute, advancements. Ban IP, ban list, boss bar. Creates the mouse type bus bar is one of those. Camera shake. That's a Bedrock Edition thing. Flash clear. I don't think I can easily implement that into Pi Edition. I don't think you can really clear inventories. Clear spawn points. Code. Collect. Create agent. Don't know what a lot of these are. Just Well, I guess one of the things I can do is just look at the actual page I'm getting my information on. So let's do the teleport command. Now, once again, you guys on the stream aren't really easily going to be able to see this and everything. Sorry about that. You guys, once again, you guys aren't going to be able to see me teleport and all that, but it will work. So, first of all, and I'm not really designing this for a multiplayer, a multiplayer, yeah, multiplayer game. why am I trying to think of another word? Anyways, I'm not really trying to do that. So in here I'm gonna do else if command parts 0, so the actual command equals TP. Then what we're gonna do, first of all, we should probably have a universal x, y, z equals mc dot player dot get pause. So I'll get position, get position, and make sure I'd have to capitalize that P. And so future x equals x, and I'm just gonna copy and paste that. So future y is gonna be y, future z is gonna be z. There, our current position for all that. So what we're gonna do here is if, so first of all, we want to make sure that these are all integers. That's just gonna be this thing here. Actually, no, because oh man, this is not gonna be easy. You know, I'll just not support the whole tilde minus or plus a certain thing right now. So I'm gonna do try and int x equals integer version of x, int y equals integer version of y, int z equals integer version of, actually no, we don't want that. We want to do command parts 1, command parts 2, and command parts 3. If it is unable to do this and without having a error, and this is going to be a value error. If it is unable to do this, then we are going to have an error message. So we're going to do x, y, and z coords must be integers. I'll just put that in as our error message there and continue, because so go right back up to here, because what we're going to try to do next requires these to all be integers. Okay, but we gotta make sure that these aren't tilde first. So if cmd_pts 1 equals, I guess this should be in parentheses, shouldn't it? Equals tilde no, it doesn't matter. It's not equal to tilde. Then we want to do that. And we're gonna do that exact same thing. Actually, let's go ahead and grab that. 2 and 3. That should all be good. And then we'll do if and parts 1. We'll do this whole checking. And we'll do this whole checking thing once again here. If it isn't a tilde, then set future x to be command, sorry, enter x, and we'll do the same thing here for, for this next one. This is going to be a value of 2, and this is going to be y, and this is going to be a y. And if this is a value of 3 or 4th index in there, and z, sorry, I didn't want to do that. Didn't want to count out those. So now we've got that. We are going to actually set the Clair position to future x, y, and z. Because I am rearranging my windows on my laptop over there. That's actually doing the streaming. So we are going to MC that Clair.set position to be future x, future y, future z. Alright, so let's open up that Minecraft world. Once again, you're gonna have to take my word for it whether it works or not. Free my mouse from that and then exit and run again. So we can see here where we are in the world right here. So let's say I want to teleport myself up into the sky. You can see, actually you can't see here by my positions labeled up in the upper left hand corner. That's how partition works there. So let's teleport myself to that 128, which was the old build limit, but I could probably actually go for and colon, and you'll see, actually you won't see, but I can see that I fall a great height there, because of course I entered in that. Reporting you to, I should actually put that message in there. You fix that and slash TP and There we go. Just like that. And that teleport works there. Let's see. So I actually want to implement that, so I'm gonna exit right there. So I'm gonna say mc.post to chat, teleporting you to future X, future Y, future Z. Oh, now let's run that again. /TP. Say I want to go a block in that direction there. That's on subtracting my X there. So actually, is it? Yeah, it is. Oh my is 127. Let's teleport me into the sky again. Let's do 128 instead because I was very high up in the sky. Okay. I can't do this comma thing. Plus future V plus comma space plus that works. Alright, minimize that again, run this. TP to negative 127, 128, boom. And I need to convert those to strings. Let's do that. If you're just joining me, please if you're just joining here, let me know in the chat that someone is watching me, because I'm still a small channel, and of course I am streaming somewhat late into the day here. It's late evening, early nighttime from where I live here. So yeah, I'm not expecting many people to be watching me right now, but you are, let me know, because I would like to know, and maybe we can have a conversation about programming or just about my channel or whatever. That'd be cool. So let's go around this program. If you're confused about anything that I ain't talking about here, let me know in the chat as well. That would also be appreciated. So let's go ahead and put in my command. 127, 128, boom. You can see, you can't see, but I have been put in the air, and there is a thing in the chat of teleporting you to this, which is nice. I'm gonna see if I can maybe get my phone to play a part here. I'm gonna go grab my phone cable just a second. Alright, so I got my, I hooked up my phone to my computer so that you guys can hopefully be seeing, what I'm seeing here. This is really, oh man, this is bad. But, you can see our Minecraft running here, and there's some forward lanes here from, but if I type in, 128, 128, tilde, I'm actually, you forget that you can't do that. Let's do that, tilde, and let's go ahead and drag my Minecraft screen over there, and you can see just like that. Slash TP boom 256 boom. That is what's going on. Hopefully I can switch the theme every once in a while. Let's go back into just that. Alright. So now you guys can actually I'm not using my laptop's webcam to show you guys what is going on. It's much easier to handle my phone than it is my whole laptop. So yeah, that's what I've been seeing, and of course if I come back into here, my computer screen there. Of course, if I also type in chat here, hello world, vision this a bit better. You see in the chat pops my username, hello common world, and it's all formatted in a way that's nice. So yeah, I am satisfied of how this has turned out so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the screen back up on my phone because that's how I'm actually seeing the stream here. It is actually via my phone. But yeah, so I'm satisfied of how that has been churning out. Now, once again, you can't do some things that you are usually able to do in Java Edition in terms of teleporting here. I'm gonna read back through. Ooh, we can do the /set block command. I actually didn't know that was in the game. I've never used that. Alright. So, we're gonna come into here and we're gonna do an elif command parts 0 equals the set block. And I'm actually going to change this interface to us, instead of saying command, put chat in there, because Cheats is more of a, I think they tried to do it more of a hidden thing more than anything. Let's get my chat back up. So yeah, set block, and we are going to be doing here, let's go and say that file, by the way. To just leave a message to multiple players / set block. So we are going to do I'm gonna come over here. So we are gonna want to know this X and Y and Z stuff there, but only if we get a tilde. Alright, so once again I'm gonna do all this stuff here and just put that all in there so that we know all that. And once again, we're not going to be able to do things in relation to where we are because I don't want to program that in right now. That is somewhat complicated. So I think I'm going to program in the set block command and I'm going to be done for the night. So if this is the last chance, if you've been wanting to tell me something or ask me something, do it now because not a lot of time more on the stream. So, yeah. So, set block here. So the way you set a block in Minecraft by addition via Python over here is the nc.setBlock command. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna exit this, by the way. And we've got that all worked out. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna be detecting whether we did put this as a tilde. If so, then we're gonna need some variables here. Block x equals x, block y equals y, block z equals z. You can do that. And if this is not equal to that, then we're going to set block x. This is going to work very similar to the way that the teleport command worked. We're going to set block x to what we inputted there, so int x there. And set block y, if it's not a tilde, to be block to be integer y, and we're going to set the block z to be the integer z, so where we are right now. And then we're finally going to set that block, so nc dot set block x, block y, block z. And I guess we're gonna need to know the value of the block we want. So to do that, we are also gonna need to convert that last our last argument into an integer. So we're just gonna do, we're gonna create a new variable, block id equals 0. We're gonna set that to 0 here because, as you can see, if we don't have anything, then we just want to default to error because that pretty much does nothing. So we are gonna do this here. Actually, we don't need that. We're just gonna do block id equals integer cmd_pts 4, our fourth argument in that. And we're gonna do block ID. That's it. Now, something I am a little concerned about that I'm gonna have to address in a, I don't know if I'm gonna live stream this again or not, but if I do live stream this again, then another issue I'm gonna have to address is what if the user didn't enter in all these arguments? I've gotta find some way to treat that. So, let's just assume that they entered it in all correctly here. So, well, I didn't open up Minecraft. So I'm gonna test it first to make sure that I've got it right before I show you guys. Because, otherwise, I don't know if I'm just going through expert hassle for pretty much nothing. So, let's go ahead and open up my world here. And let's run this again. So, we're gonna do /set block where I am. And it's just going to be let's do 3 dirt, why not? So that's gonna be a 3, enter. In Pi Edition here, it worked. Alright, so let's go ahead and get you onto my phone here. Just a second, let me get my phone ready to be captured. And boom, and switch my OBS scene to be the computer screen, just like that. Have CPY SCR or SCR CPY. It's fun enough. But you'll see here, so the Minecraft hide and high, I'm gonna enter in this command, and once again, let me get to a better place here. Let's do it on this little iceberg over here where I spawned in. I don't think there's any sprint in this version. This is a really old version of Minecraft. Anyways, we're gonna do that same command here that I just entered. And a block of dirt. And this is really laggy for whatever reason. But yeah. There you guys go. So if there wasn't anything in the chat, I think that's about it for today's live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed. And let's see, was there anything in the chat? Nope. Alright. I hope any of you guys that might have saw this enjoyed the stream. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't, I don't know. Maybe, if anything else, if you probably learned that Mojang actually made a version of Minecraft for the Raspberry Pi. Which is, I bet you didn't really expect that. It actually exists, and it's available in Raspberry Pi OS here. Let's go ahead and exit out the program there and just exit everything out over here in the Raspberry Pi. So I really do hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, hit that like button. There will be a replay of this as always. That'll be up on the channel. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my other videos, maybe you saw my other streams. I've only done like 2 that are public on the channel. But if you like those, please subscribe. It would be nice. I have 4 subscribers right now. I don't think it's gonna happen, but if I could somehow get to 50 subscribers by the end of the year, that would be awesome. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a video or stream coming to you soon. I've got a video planned. It's not recorded yet and it's not edited yet, but it's coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.